New just listed home, 13285 Arbor Point Circle, Unit 202, Tampa, Florida. By Joel Colley from the Military Veteran Team. This one-bedroom, one-bath home on a spacious 802 square feet layout offers comfort and convenience. Inside, the light-filled living area features elegant crown molding and wood-look tile flooring throughout. Seamlessly connected, the beautiful kitchen serves as an inviting centerpiece, featuring granite countertops, soft-close cabinetry, and a sleek stainless steel appliance package. The layout hosts a restful primary bedroom with a generous walk-in closet and custom shelving. This is served by an updated full bathroom with dual granite vanities and porcelain tile. Outdoors, enjoy a screened balcony and resort-style community amenities. Located near the University of South Florida, this fully renovated and furnished condominium provides a modern, move-in ready lifestyle. Don't miss this chance and make it yours now.